Well, it is that time of the year again. The countdown to June 30 is on as millions across this country are gearing up for that fun time of year, lodging their tax returns, all hoping for a bit of much-needed financial relief.
You sound so excited. But this morning, the ATO is sounding the alarm, reminding Aussies that tax time is not a race, with those who submit claims in early July twice as likely to make a mistake. And don't worry, they're here to help us and avoid the traps that make the most of our deductions as well.
It's just like Scott Morrison said about COVID, it's not a race. For more, we're joined by the ATO's Assistant Commissioner, Rob Thompson. Morning to you. Why should people wait before lodging?
I know it sounds a bit crazy. You can lodge from 1 July. We're just saying wait a few weeks till the end of July. By then we will have pre-filled a lot of information into your return for you from your banks, private health insurers, employers. Makes it easier to get it right when you lodge. So the people that lodged last year in the first 2 weeks, there was 140,000 people, over 140,000 people, where we either amended their returns or they had to make an amendment later on because they'd made a mistake. So we're just saying wait, download the ATO app. It'll let you know when you're ready to pre-fill, when everything's there, so it knows when it's good to go. But we've also put out some new security features as well that helps you to protect your account. So using the ATO app is a really good way to go.
Once you are ready to start the lodgement process, there are some areas that need a little bit more attention, right? So work-related expenses, and we've spoken about beard oil, cannot claim on beard oil apparently.
That's right, Chevo, you've got that.
And some errors that people are making. I mean, how can we get around it this time?
Yeah, look, so there's 3 golden rules everyone needs to remember if they're claiming work-related expenses. They are that you've spent the money yourself and that your boss didn't reimburse you for it, that it directly relates to your job or the income you're earning, and the third is that you have a record, normally in the form of a receipt. Now, depending on your job, it's going to change what you can and cannot claim. So we've produced over 40 occupational specific guides for different industries and different work types that help people to understand what they can and cannot claim specific to their jobs, so they make sure they can get everything they're entitled to, but they don't claim anymore.
Okay, do we not listen to there's always someone who says, no, I've spoken to Billy Bob and he has claimed this. Do we not listen to our
No,
friends?
I know Billy Bob does seem to get a lot of claims, but I'd say if you're going to get advice, either get it from a registered tax agent or have a look at the ATO website.
Right.
And what's the cut-off?
So the cut-off to lodge, if you're lodging yourself, is the 31st of October. If you're lodging through a registered tax agent, you may have a little bit more time, but you need to make sure you're on their books by the 31st of October.
Okay.
Done.
Got it.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank
really
you
appreciate
very
it.
much.